Good morning, student. Let us continue our lesson 3, subtraction. Today's topic is problem on subtractions. Here, question number 1. The sum of two numbers is 2,45,892. If one of them is 1,83,681, find the other number. Now let us start solution. In the question, the sum of two numbers is given. First we will write the statement. The sum of two numbers is equal to 2,45,892. One number is also given here, so we will write one number is equal to 1,83,681. Children, we have to find the other number, so we will write here other number is equal to sum of the two number. We will write here first, and it is greater number also, and one number is even. When we will subtract, we will get the other number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Here 2, 9, 8, 5, 4, and one more column, lakh, it is 2. Then smallest number 1, 8, 6, 3, 8, 1. Put minus sign and subtract it. 2 minus 1 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 6, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Here 4 is less than 8, so we can't subtract. We borrow from lakhs column. It will give, so it becomes 14, and it will come 1. 14 minus 8 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. Hence, it is the answer 62211. Hence, the other number is 62,211. This is the answer. Now let us see the question number 2. The population of a town is 75,492. If 40,548 are male members, find the female members in that town. So children, first we will write the statement. What is given here? The population of a town is given here. So we will write it first. Population of town is equal to 75,492, and male members is also given here. Male members is 40,548. We have to find out the female members, so we will write here female members equal to total population minus male members. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 2, 9, 4, 5, 7. It is 8, 4, 5, 0, 4. Now put minus sign. Now subtract it. Here 2 is less than 8, so we will borrow from tens column. It will be 12, and it gave 1, so it become 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now again 4 is less than 5, so we can't subtract. We will borrow from thousands column. It will give 1. It become 14, and it become 4. 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So 3, 4, 9, 4, 4. Hence we will write it as the answer 34,944 female members are in the town. So it is the answer 2. Now next we will see question number 3. There are 9,981 bags of wheat in a godown. If 24,579 bags are taken out, how many of wheat bags remain in the godown? So we will write the solution. Total number of bags are bags in godown is equal to 90,981. Now here how many bags are taken out? 24,579. So we will write here bags, number of bags taken out equal to 24,579. So we have to find out how many bags remain in the godown. So we will write number of bags, number of bags of wheat remain in the godown is equal to total number of bags is 90,981 minus how many taken out? 24,579. So we will subtract it. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. It is a bigger number 909. Smaller number is 542. Put minus sign, subtract it. 1 is less number from 9, so we will borrow from tens place. It will give, it become 11, it become 7. 11 minus 9 is 2, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now 9 minus 5 is 4. Here 0 is less than 4, so we again borrow from 10,000. It will 10 and it become 8. 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. Hence 66,402 bags of wheat are remain in the godown. It is the answer. Now next question we will see. Subtract the sum of 40,256 and 21,512 from 2,11,542. Children, in this question first we will add these two numbers because they are asking here sum. Then we will subtract from this number. So we will write here first sum of the numbers. One number is 40256 and second is 21512. Now we will add it first. Six plus 2 is 8, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 5 7, 1, then 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, it is the sum of the number. Now we have to find out the difference also from this number. So we will write it first minus this sum number we will write here and then we will subtract. It is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and this is this number. Sum of the number is, put minus sign. 2 is smaller than 8, so we will borrow here 2 from tens column. Now it will become 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. We can't subtract 6 from 3. Again we will borrow. It become 4 and it become 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now we can't subtract 7 from 4. Again we will borrow. It becomes 0 and it becomes 14 minus 7 is 7. Now 0 is less than 1, so again it will borrow from 10,000. It becomes 0. 10 minus 1 is 9. Here we can't subtract 6 from 0, so it will borrow from lakhs column. It becomes 10 and it becomes 1. 10 minus 6 is 4 and it is 1. So 1 4 9 7 7 4. It is the answer. Thank you.